Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my previous video. Some of them complained to me saying that my audio was a problem. I've tried to rectify it in this video. I had a problem with my mic. Yeah, so today I'm going to talk about how to go ahead and extract emails from LinkedIn. We all have LinkedIn accounts. We all connect to different individuals. We send messages on LinkedIn, but we always wondered how can we get the professional email ID of these individuals. There is a way to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to extract the email from LinkedIn. Let's look into it. Okay, let's start. So what we're going to do is first log into Skrapp.io. This is the website which will help us to extract emails from LinkedIn. So as usual, you have to sign up, put your first name, last name, email, and the password. Or if you have a LinkedIn account, you can directly sign using LinkedIn. I have a LinkedIn account, so I'm going to log in using LinkedIn. Once we log in using LinkedIn, it will take you through a particular dashboard. So you have a free account for 1 month, which is up to 150 emails, or you can extract, which is a free account. Every month you get 150 emails. But if you want to go for more, then you have to go for a premium. So in order to in order to run this Skrapp, you need to have an extension on Chrome. So you have to go to the Chrome web store and add the extension. I've already done that. That's why you can see remove from Chrome option. Otherwise, it would have told you to add the extension. Once you add the extension, you go back to Skrapp again. You open up the LinkedIn where the LinkedIn page where you want to extract the emails. So I have logged in. I'm going to search for IT managers. So I've typed in IT managers. Once you type in IT managers and select people, then it will list out all your IT manager list. You can also search for other profiles, but I was looking for IT managers or CIOs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the extension, which will already will pop up once you add the extension. And then before you go ahead and run this extension, you have to go to the dashboard and then create a new list. I've created a new list called CIO. And then once I create the list, I will go back to the LinkedIn page. Once you go back to the LinkedIn page, you again open the extension and then select the list CIO, which we have already created, and then click on launch email finder. You can I check the box which says search for email address and then click on launch email finder. It will start searching out of this 10 accounts in the first page, and then it was able to find 2 emails. I'm going to run this for the second page also. I'm going to select the second page and then I'm going to run this again. So once you run it again, you do the same process. You select the list CIO and then click on launch email finder. Once you launch it, it will again search for it and then it will give you the number of emails. So it's again found 2 emails. So once you do this, you go back to the dashboard and then refresh that particular page. Once you refresh that page, you will be able to see all the email address which was extracted from LinkedIn. It will also show you all the accounts, and it will show you how many accounts they were able to get the email address. So you can see here catch all means it is somewhat valid email, and if it says verified, it is 100% valid email. So you have a chance of 60 to 70% to get a correct email by doing this activity. Once you do this, then you go ahead and click on download. Then you select valid and valid emails only, and then click on extract. The Excel sheet will extract. You can click on it, and once you click on it, you can see all the valid emails listed in the Excel sheet. This Excel sheet, you can use it for all your email campaigning, or maybe you can send individual emails to these people. This is an excellent way of finding the email, because LinkedIn doesn't give you an option to, obviously in LinkedIn nobody puts their professional email. So Skrapp really helps you to get the email address. So I was also talking about the premium part of Skrapp. Now this is the premium pricing. If you want to extract more than 150 emails, then you should do this. Thank you once again for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I'm going to come back with more videos, and I would really expect your feedbacks. And please subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the videos on time to you. Thank you.